This is the feast of heavenly wine, and God has made them blessed. The holy blood of the living vine into the cup was pressed. Oh, bless the Savior, ye that eat with royal dainties fed. Not heaven affords a costlier treat, for Jesus is the bread, for Jesus is the bread. The vile, the lost, he calls to them, ye trembling souls appear. The righteous in their honest esteem have no acceptance here. Approach, ye poor,